I'm going to turn the switch on and see the light up here. So it means normal operation. It'll be right here. There it is. Normal operation. This fan kicks on here, and then you'll see the glow plug light up here, or the glow to light up the burner. Burner lights up. So yeah, there you go. Burner lights up, and then it'll light up, and then it turns itself off after about 2 minutes. We'll see here. So there's lit up. No blinking light here. Normally, if it's got a problem, blinking light right here, but steady red means it's normal. I'm thinking it might be this area up in here. This could be a flame sensor, or it could be this flame sensor right here. Like, I'm not a heating and cooling guy, but I'm a little familiar with them. So yeah, so now we got a blinking light here. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So code